Life is a puzzle, and every piece represents a part of who I am. Some pieces fit perfectly, while others take time to place. Today, I want to share how I pieced together my identity, my spiritual self, physical self, sexual self, and material self. My material self is a quiet voice inside me, reminding me to stay grounded no matter what storms I face. I believe in kindness as a force that connects us all. Growing up, I often found solace in journaling, pouring out my fears, my dreams, my gratitude. Over time, I've come to understand that spiritual isn't just about religion. It's about finding meaning in the little things. For me, it's in a laughter shared with friends, the beauty of a sunset, and the hope that every new day brings. Physical self. If my body is my home, then it's been under renovation for years. I've been struggled with self-doubt, feelings too that this or not enough that. But as I've grown, I've learned to embrace my imperfections. My body is strong. It carries me through life challenges, and for that, I'm grateful. Every scar, every freckle tells a story of resilience. Exercise has become my way of showing love to my body, not to change it, but to care for it. Now, when I look in the mirror, I see more than just a reflection. I see progress, strength, and pride. Sexual self. Understanding my sexual self has been a journey of courage. It's about more than labels. It's about knowing who I am and being honest with myself. I've learned to embrace authenticity in my relationship and how I express love. It hasn't always been easy to navigate societal expectations, but I've found strength in self-acceptance. For me, this part of myself is celebration of love in all of forms. For the others, and most importantly, love for myself. Material self. My material self often feels like a reflection of my journey. The things I own don't define me, but they do tell my story. The books on my shelf remind me of the worlds I've explored through words. My phone is filled with pictures of moments that matter, family dinners, road trips with friends, quiet morning with coffee. These possessions, though simple, represents the life I'm building. At the same time, I've learned that what truly matters can't be bought. That the memory, the lessons, and the connections that make life meaningful. Each part of me, spiritual, physical, sexual, material, comes together to create a unique and ever-evolving picture of who I am. I'm still a work in progress, and that's okay. Life has taught me that understanding myself is a journey, not a destination, and with every piece of the puzzle I place, I come closer to seeing the beautiful picture of who I'm meant to be. Thank you for listening to my story. I am Christian Isaiah Pila Bisores, CA1A.